Welcome to this strategic guide to the evolution of data integration in SAP BTP Integration Suite. In this video, we'll explore the innovative pipeline concept, the new asynchronous standard for message management and routing, and analyze the capabilities of GreenSharp's pipeline monitor for SAP BTP. What is the SAP BTP pipeline concept? In the past, messages traveled directly through an iFlow in SAP BTP. With the new pipeline concept, messages no longer travel from one point to another in a straight line. Instead, they pass through a series of queues, precisely JMS queues. This is very crucial for migration projects from SAP PO to the SAP BTP Integration Suite. Between each queue, there are small SAP standard integration programs called iFlows based on standard SAP packages. These programs take the message from one queue, perform their work, and move it to the next queue until the message reaches its outbound destination. This system is asynchronous, aka fire and forget. Whoever sends a message does not expect an immediate response. If something goes wrong, GreenSharp's monitoring system takes over. GreenSharp Pipeline Monitor for SAP BTP. This demo shows a SAP-certified tool created by GreenSharp to manage iFlows in a much more efficient way than what the standard SAP BTP tools offer. It consists of several Fiori Elements pages. The dashboard displays a list of all message iFlows and shows how many have failed or are in overdue, expired, or have been stuck in error for too long, for example, more than 2 days. The colors green, orange, and red help you immediately understand the amount of stuck messages. The workbench, error details. Clicking on an iFlow opens a list of individual messages stuck in a SAP data store. Message inspection, the inspector. By selecting a specific message, you can view all the technical and business details. From here, the user can restart, retry sending the message, cancel, permanently delete it if it is unrecoverable, view payload, view the message content and XML content, and view document. This is a special feature, a little magic that transforms XML payload into a user-friendly visual document. For example, a table showing in-stock and out-of-stock products. The use of artificial intelligence. If a message is in error, the user can click the Explain Error button. The system connects to an artificial intelligence provider chosen by the customer based on their usage habits. The technical error will then be highlighted and explained in simple terms, also suggesting corrective measures. Management of synchronous flows. So far, we've seen how the pipeline manages asynchronous messages, but in our SAP BTP ecosystem, there are also synchronous iFlows. You can think of them as classic APIs. Unlike the pipeline, where a message is sent and managed in queues, synchronous communication requires the two systems to speak simultaneously. It's a request-response mechanism. The system making the request, like a web portal, queries SAP BTP and literally remains stuck waiting until SAP ERP or another system provides an immediate response. Consider a request for contract details, such as its country or real-time product registration. These are all operations in which the end user needs the data immediately on their screen to continue working. In this case, we requested contracts from Italy, and the system returned all the messages related to our search and business key values. For synchronous iFlows, the monitor changes appearance. It's no longer used to rework messages, but becomes a powerful tool for business search, statistics, traceability, and more. This feature can be configured in the partner directory and can therefore be turned on and off without having to modify programs or perform any new deployments.